Hey, what's up everybody? What's up guys? What's up friends? Yeah, today we come to the San Francisco Bay, try catching some halibut. We'll see how it's going. This is really little windy today. Yeah, and a little line right here, the bait. Yeah guys, it's me Oleg, it's my son Dima, and his friends. What's your name guys?
Matthew. I'm Mark. And I'm James.
Okay, nice to meet you. Yeah, it's my son Franz, school. Yeah, we'll see guys what we do. If we do good, the guys go with fish, right?
Of course.
Yeah.
In the box, Jeff. One in the box.
One in the box. Come on, man. Damn, guys, we're stuck on the line. Damn, look at that. So many people. What's up, buddy? And it's a lot of people here. California done. What's up guys? How are you? Good. I hope we catch it today. Every day. Every day. I know you're killing. Yep.
I like the channel, man.
Thank you, thank you. I hope you enjoy. Ah, today nice one, huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh, perfect. Today good bait. Finally. It's couple weeks, man, like this, like baby. It's good bait, man. It's good. Damn. I need to go to Norbar with that fish. Все, Димчик, давай гроші. Okay, thank you guys. Okay guys, we changed a bunch of spots already. We changed like 4 spots. Then the Berkeley flat is 4 feet swells in the morning. Damn, it's choppy right there. Yeah, we're right now in Alameda rock wall. Try catching something here. We'll see. We have a lot of bait here. Nice fish. The guys chill out. How are you guys? How are you doing?
We didn't catch nothing yet, but we have high hopes. Oh yeah. No more 6 foot surge wave.
Yeah, no more 4 foot swells.
Is that a nibble or am I just? Or is that bibble? That's a nibble.
Try catching something here.
We're trying to get something to gobble goose.
Yeah guys, we'll see. We're back with fish. Yeah guys, make sure subscribe, leave the like, comment, share my video, and every single video we play $20 guys. Every single video we play 20 bucks. Make sure you leave like, you know, 500 like, 20 bucks every single time if you give me 500 likes. Okay guys, we're back with fish.
How did you do that?
I wanted to.
What did you do? How did you do that?
He just have a bite. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh, what's this? Shark.
Oh, baby shark?
Yeah, baby shark. Okay. To do. Okay, baby shark, what are you doing here? It's 12 inches. It's keeper.
Yeah, but 12 inches. This is more than 12, right?
Yeah, it's 12. Hey guys, if you wanna take a picture, go ahead. Димчик, чекай на ту сторону, Дим.
It's not really in.
Go.
Do you
No,
have
no, it's good. It's big fish.
It's a big one.
Big fish. Oh, you lost it. Because you stop. That's why. This is halibut. Yeah, it's big halibut.
That sucked.
Again. Give me new bait. Just reeling, no stop, reeling. Stop, 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 stop. Oh, it's shaker. Yeah, your first heli.
Yeah. Let's go.
Hold on. Don't touch. Don't. No, 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 no. It's big T.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where?
You lost your finger like that.
That's crazy.
See that?
I could have died. We gotta test it right now.
Oh, serious? You lost your skin if you put in the mouth.
I never knew
Look
they
at
had
that.
teeth.
Look at that. The big heli have like this D. The
Yeah?
T like dog.
This is tiny, yeah?
Yeah, take a picture like this.
Yeah.
And
Hold it.
yeah, just hold it, take a picture and throw away. Nice, good job. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye, fishy.
Whoa.
Just like that.
Freedom to the fishes. Wait, what happened to my bait? Yo, did yours go down? Yeah. That was 100% keeper, but I wanted.
There.
I felt it and you're like, yo, man.
Nice, good job.
Yeah. Maybe I'm professional fisher.
Hold on.
He's trying to eat us.
Look at the T.
What about your finger off? They feel it. It's supposed to be a keeper.
You try. Hopefully it's keeper. Oh, it's shaker.
Shaker?
Yeah, it's shaker.
It's a bigger shaker, but it's still shaker.
Yeah, it's good shaker.
Hold on, give me a minute. Give me a second.
It's good shaker, just still shaker.
Yeah. Call me the Halibut Master.
There's this nice shaker. Where's the?
Over
Дай, ну дай ее
Here,
сюда.
let me grab out. Let's check. Maybe. No, probably not, but
No. No,
it's
it's 20.
20 inches.
Дашь фоткаться, не?
Go ahead and take a picture. I already have some of these pictures.
What's your tricks, Dima? Dang, he's lucky.
Yeah. Nice.
Alright, later.
Дима, дай сачок. Maybe shaker. No, maybe not. Maybe shaker. Yeah, it's like 20 inch. Give me measurement. Give me bait. I guess it's small. Oh, it's small.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's small. 20 incher.
Another 20?
Yep. We need 22.
The goal is to beat 20, so I can beat you and
Beautiful fish. Okay guys, right now we play the giveaway. Good luck everybody. We're doing the different way a little bit. This is my video, the last one. We copy the link, copy link. Okay. We turn on the YouTube random comment picker. Okay, we put right here our link. That's it. Filter, duplicate users. Okay. Okay, we have a 50 comment. Okay guys, we start right now. We're here. We pick the 2 winners, $50 each. If you subscribe to my channel, we check in too. Okay, good luck everybody. Chris Castillo. We check if you subscribe to my channel. You're not subscribed to my channel, right? Channels, nothing here. Sorry, man. We pick another winner. Tanner Harrison. We check you. You're not subscribed to my channel. Sorry, man. We try another one. Solo fisherman. Okay, this guy has something. This guy has subscribed to me and he win $50. Okay, buddy, leave me some message, Facebook, or text me under the video how I send you $50. Okay? Yeah, solo fisherman, you win $50. We try pick another one, the second winner. Okay, SG. This guy didn't have nothing, sorry. He didn't have comment, no. Okay, Thomas Harding. If I say not something, no, right, sorry, man. Okay, I'm check you if you subscribe to my channel. You have a lot of guys here. Yep, it's Family Fish Killer here. Thank you, buddy. You win $50. Thomas Harding, please let me know, leave me some message under my video or in the Facebook, and you win $50. Okay, thank you, buddy, and everybody, thanks for the giveaway. Next my video, we play $20. If we hit 500 likes, we play $20. And every single video hit 500 likes, we play $20. Okay, guys, it's easy, just pushing like, that's it, and leave me a comment. Okay, everybody, thanks, and see you guys in the water. Okay, guys, we're done, and we're catching some, just no keepers, guys. We're catching 2 rockfish, we release it. We're catching like 3, 4 halibut, we release it. It's too small, 20, 2 20s and smaller, that's it. No luck today. We have some shark, some crab. Yep. Yeah, guys, we're fishing just 4 hours and we go home right now.
We caught some big ones. Yeah. Caught some.
Have your day today,
I
guy?
caught one this big.
Yeah. Yeah, it is big.
Caught
Yeah,
him.
guys. Yeah, we go home.
That was good, Dave. Yeah, relax.
Yeah, Sacramento right now is 110 Fahrenheit.
Right now?
Right here, 65. It's perfect weather.
This is really nice.
It's a really nice weather. Yeah, guys. Okay, guys. Give me 500 likes and I will play the money. Every single video we play $20, guys. Share my video for more subscribers, and we play the giveaway money. I see you soon.
Anybody fishing